Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. So, what happened today? Market gap down open today. So, with this gap down, Nifty and Bank Nifty gap down, retailers got opportunity to get out of the trade. So, they were in some losses. Maybe they have covered their loss, or may it have turned into a profit. So, in option index, so in call, they were sitting in short positions 78,000. So they got out of these positions. So they have unwinded the shorts and made a fresh long today of 1.66 lakhs contracts in call, and in put they were holding 44,000 put shorts. So they have increased the shorts too. So they become very much bullish now. So they have increased 1.40 lakh shorts in put side. What the promoter did, promoter were holding nearly 5,000 contract shorts. They have increased their shorts to 1.93 lakhs, and input side they were holding a shorts, but they have covered their shorts. Hopefully they have triggered the stop loss, or maybe they have covered this because they know market is not going to move upside. So they covered, they put shorts, they have unwinded the shorts by 1.03 lakhs. So they still having a short input, that is 37,000 contracts only. So promoters become very much bearish, and clients become very much bullish in option. And whereas FII, he has reduced their call. This is a call buying. So reduced to 51,000 contracts and increase their put 36,000. So totally he has 1.89 lakhs contracts input, and 31,000 call buying. So he is very much bearish now. So one more interesting thing I seen in future index, FIF has reduced their longs to 6 percentage, and increased their shorts by 6 percentage. So they were having 26 percentage long, now they have 20 percentage, and short they were having 74 percentage, now they have 80 percentage. So they become very much bearish, and client become bullish. They having 66% and 34% short, and promoters having 39 percentage long and 61 percentage short. Promoter have increased 8 percentage of long and decreased 8 percentage of short. So why FII have become very much negative? Because there is a CPI, so consumer price index data. It is a result. It has to be out on July 13th. That is tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. of UST. So this is the data that is driving the market. So everyone have turned negative now. Now what US market is doing? It is trading good only. Dow Jones is trading. It is consolidating, but trying to come up. Even the Nasdaq has fallen, but trying to recover from the low. So we have to check for US market by tomorrow morning. Let's see what's they closing, and also waiting. We have to wait for this results to be out by tomorrow evening. And what is the interesting data? Interesting data is the short of FII, and the interesting data is also the call buying by the retailers and also the shorts. So see, if market open higher, if market open higher, what will happen? Promoters has to run to cover their call shorts. So it will move more higher because retailer have 1.6 call buying and also put shorts by 1.8 lakh. So there are very huge. So retailer will win if there is a very good gap up and it sustain. And if there is a very big gap down, then client has to run for the cover input and also as well on in call. So there can be a huge fall too. So there can be a huge movement both the sides, but I will be on a negative side only. So not much difference in future stocks. Cash flow, and today again the FII sold for 1,565 crores. DIA purchased for 140 crores. Promoters also sold for 26 crores. Client purchase for 79 crores. So FII again sold for very decent amount. PCR, put call ratio, what happened today? PCR has decreased for Nifty today 0.67, and for month end it is 1.21. So what happened, what people are believing, for the month end it is very much positive only, and for today it has gone down. So people have decreased their put shorts today. That's why this is decreased. And the interesting thing is, in futures, the future index is trading 30 points in discount. 30 points while comparing to the spot price. Why? Why? Because see, this is the reason. 80% short people are making in futures, then the future has to trade in discount only while comparing to the spots. And this is a decent amount of call buying. So let's get back to PCR. So for Bank Nifty it was 0.9. This is oversold zone only. Nifty and also the Bank Nifty is at the oversold zone. Actually Nifty is more at oversold zone. Recovery has to come from Nifty only. Bank Nifty is at good level 0.9, and for month end is at 1.05. So if there is a good rally has to come for Bank Nifty only for the whole month. And if the ITs recover, then there will be a good rally in Nifty. So everything depends on the IT sectors now. Anyhow, banks are doing good from few days. We have to get strength in banks only. And while coming to the charts, so there was a very good profit booking at 2 after 2. So I believe the promoters have reduced their shorts here only. They were having a put short yesterday. They have reduced the positions. Even for the bank new 35,500. This is a very good resistance. That's why it is not easily broken. So it has to broke only by the gap ups only. 35,500, and here 16,250 to 300 range. Even if it trades here, this will also be a very good resistance. Till 16,500 there is a very good resistance. It cannot move higher until it crosses 16,500. So we'll see what's going to happen. And so save your capitals, don't trade, don't do over trading, and wait until the Thursday. Take a new fresh positions on Monday only. So that's it, guys. Do like, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye. Good night.